When it comes to land surveying in Jaipur, Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading name in the industry. As a professional land surveyor, Scon Design has established a strong reputation for its expertise and reliability in providing accurate and precise surveying services. With their extensive knowledge and experience, they are capable of handling various types of land surveying projects, ranging from residential to commercial and industrial properties. One of the key reasons why Scon Design stands out as a top land surveyor in Jaipur is their commitment to utilizing advanced technology and equipment. They understand the importance of staying up to date with the latest tools and techniques in order to deliver the highest quality results. By incorporating state-of-the-art surveying equipment, such as GPS technology and laser scanning, Scon Design ensures that their clients receive accurate measurements and detailed reports. Scon Design takes pride in their team of highly skilled and experienced land surveyors. With their expertise in conducting comprehensive surveys, they are able to provide valuable insights and recommendations to their clients. Whether it's determining property boundaries, conducting topographic surveys, or assessing site conditions, Scon Design's land surveyors have the knowledge and skills to handle any project with precision and efficiency. As a reputable land surveyor in Jaipur, Scon Design understands the importance of timely project delivery. They recognize that time is of the essence for their clients and strive to complete surveys within the agreed-upon timeframe. Through effective project management and streamlined processes, Scon Design ensures that their clients receive accurate survey data in a timely manner. If you are in need of a reliable and experienced land surveyor in Jaipur, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise in land surveying and their commitment to providing accurate and detailed surveys, they are the go-to company for all your surveying needs. Whether you require a survey for a residential property, commercial development, or infrastructure project, Scon Design India Private Ltd has the knowledge and resources to deliver high-quality results. As a land surveyor in Jaipur, Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of precision and accuracy in their work. They utilize the latest technology and equipment to ensure that their surveys are conducted with utmost precision. Their team of skilled surveyors is trained to handle all types of surveying tasks, from boundary surveys to topographic surveys. They are well versed in using advanced tools like GPS and laser scanners to capture accurate data, which is then used to create detailed maps and plans. Scon Design India Private Ltd is known for its professionalism and commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires a personalized approach. Their team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and provide tailored solutions. Whether it is determining property boundaries, conducting site analysis, or preparing construction layout plans, they strive to deliver exceptional service and exceed